So I'm going to go over the 5 top wallets and 3 that I use personally. So let's get into it. Let's go. Some of these are going to be hot wallets or more like Chrome extensions, and then some are going to be actual cold storage wallets. So let's go over all of them right now. I'm actually going to go from ones that I'm not as familiar with to the most popular. So this is a Rabby wallet, and it has its own Chrome extension, desktop version, and mobile version. So you have all different types. This would be considered a hot wallet, but it is multi-chain, so you can enjoy the different blockchains that are within the Rabby wallet. And so, as you can see, it does have a pre-assigned check for security. So they are beefing up the security, and they have just a great user experience. If you actually check out the Rabby wallet on Chrome, you can see how popular it is, with over 500,000 users and a 4.6 rating with over 323 reviews. So you know this is a solid wallet. And if you compare that to the Phantom wallet, which is a more popular wallet, you can see that the Phantom mostly used for the Solana, but a lot of other wallets, other blockchains also. And as you can see, there is over 3 million. So I actually use the Phantom wallet. And as you can see, it does have 3,000 users, but it only has 4.1 reviews. Some people like it, some people don't. It is what it is. The next big major competitors are Ledger and Trezor. I actually have had both. So I've had the, this one is the, you actually switch views because, yeah, why not? This is the Ledger. And I've had this for quite a while now. It's like this, but it's not this. I have it somewhere. I might have just put it somewhere on the shelf that I don't even use anymore. So it's another hard wallet, cold storage wallet. As you can see, it's meant to never be online. You kind of get your code for the first time through this actual device, and then you save it on a piece of paper, and it has never actually seen the light of day in the internet world. And so it is a very good cold storage wallet. There are some controversies between Ledger and Trezor. So definitely do your own research, see what is the best one for you. The one that I had was the Model 1. I don't know how the Model T or the Model 3 does, so definitely do your own research. And as you can see, go offline with Trezor. 100% you own your coins, your wallet is 100% safe, and your data is anonymous versus online exchanges. And it's so easy, you just connect to your computer and the different price points. The Ledger, I actually use quite a bit. I find it to be really easy. I use the is it this Nano? It might be the Nano. I don't think I have the Plus. This one looks pretty cool, the Stack. But there are some other ones that are coming out that we'll probably do a review on, because there are some like cool wallets coming out in the next few months or already out, or, you know, we'll definitely do a review on. But a lot of these are cool, like styles you can use. The Ledger, for instance, on mine, and you just hook this to your computer, and then you open up your device, and then by pushing these 2 buttons, and then you put in your passcode, and then anytime you want to do a transaction, you can hook it up through MetaMask and set it up that way. So it makes it really, really easy to. It's kind of like if you if you're familiar with 2-factor authentication, it's like 2-factor authentication for your MetaMask wallet. So it makes it really safe to use. But the cold storage wallet isn't meant to be used as a hot storage. It's meant to take and use and then send and forget. So kind of be mindful of how you use your wallets, because sometimes a lot of people use them in the wrong way, and you want to use them as a way to kind of send and forget. I'm not one of those people. I use it more as 2-factor authentication and a way to almost use as a hot wallet too, but you shouldn't. And yeah, that's it. And then finally is the last wallet, GridPlus. This is a new standard wallet. And as you can see, it is a unique hardware security features, a large touchscreen, and a hot swappable safeguard wallet. The GridPlus is a programmable hardware wallet that makes using crypto enjoyable while securing your assets threats against any magnitude. And it's on all sorts of different blockchains, works seamlessly with MetaMask, which is great. As you can see, you can read the messages in a touch screen. It is a colder storage. Seed phrases are only as safe as where you keep them, so why are you storing them in plain text on paper? With safeguards, your seed is backed up on a portable, pin-protected. So I think this is pretty cool. This is colder storage, and it's talking about how storing your seed phrase on paper isn't safe, and so you need it on a safer card. And so these cards are protected by a pin using HSM, and it's created and easily use as many accounts as you want by getting more safeguards. So I think that's pretty cool. It's like a debit card, almost protected, full stack security. And so it seems like this is the next level of cold storage. And they seem pretty reasonable in the cost. So, actually, the price is $3.97, and you're able to, so it's a machine that stores your crypto on these cards. So I think that's pretty cool. Definitely want to check this out. Probably reach out to them and see what they have. It's pretty cool stuff. Let me know down below what you guys think of all of these different cards. Do you guys have a cold storage wallet? Do you have a real wallet, a hot wallet like a MetaMask or a Phantom? Or are you only strictly cold wallets? Let me know in the comments down below. All links are in the description. So if you guys want to check out some of these wallets and review them, definitely check them out down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.